Thank you for joining us on Career Compass Canada. I'm Alexander Lutchen, and with us, a member of our senior leadership team, in particular on coaching, is Jeanette Lamoka. Jeanette, tell us a little bit about leadership development and our approach to it.
Well, leadership development, I think, is a really important component to the development in any organization. Leaders are the foundation of the organization, from the front line right up to the senior executive. And they're the group of people who support the staff and the ability that they need to deliver on the work and the efforts of the organization to move forward. And through coaching, I think it's a great opportunity to help develop those leaders, to create an awareness so that they can look at the way in which they're operating. They can notice some areas of improvement that they need to focus on. Through accountability in the coaching process, develop new practices and behaviors that support them going forward as a better leader for their staff and for the organization. So I think with coaching, what it creates is a process over time with accountability, with awareness, with heightened, thoughtful, mindful decision making that make them stronger and more capable and aware of what they can do better.
Do you think it's a good investment for a company? Because everybody, looks at ROI. Why am I going to make this investment in our senior leaders?
Oh, I think it's an amazing investment. I think it's one that most companies should be looking at. So right now, it's really common practice for coaching to be offered to senior executives. And while I agree that's a good place to provide those kinds of supports, I think there's an opportunity to look at frontline or aspiring leaders or emerging leaders. Those are the folks that are going to be stepping into a role that hopefully they'll continue throughout their career and with that organization or even another. And I think there is the opportunity to help them transition from being a high performer in a professional capacity or technical expertise and learning how to let go of that expertise to step into the role of leadership. And through coaching, that's where they can do it, because oftentimes that's where the struggle is for those individuals, is to become the leader and to let go of that technical expertise that they're so good at.
So it's developing the soft skills.
It's developing the soft skills, which I would say is the hard part. So we use the language soft skills, and really it's the hard part of being a leader. It's holding your staff accountable. It's helping them develop and become better performers. It's making tough decisions and having sometimes difficult conversations, knowing how to have them and be firm and not aggressive and not assertive such that you diminish those individuals. It's how to empower them. It's how to recognize their strengths and to really fan the flames so that they can step into those strengths. Those are not easy.
And just tell us a little bit about what somebody can expect from us, what a company can expect from us if we go in and we're helping to develop that leadership team.
Well, I think what they can expect is a customized approach, looking at the needs of that organization, the business they're in, the strategy they have, and the leadership that they're trying to develop to actually realize that strategy. So really understanding those component parts and then developing an approach that meets their needs. So then the approach would look one-on-one on what those individual leaders need, and then developing a plan with them and for them, and then a process to move through it that has the accountability, has measurable results, tangible actions that they can then speak to and demonstrate the difference they're making.
Well, it must be very satisfying from a coach to be able to start with a C-suite leader and watch them grow.
Oh, wow, yeah, it's amazing, because it's not just the leader that you see grow. While you see them grow and they see themselves, that's also the best part. They're able to recognize their change. It's also the impact that they're having. They're having an impact on their staff. Their staff start to change. And oftentimes they'll even account that their family life is changed. So their relationship to their spouse, their relationship with their kids, their relationship with friends change because they're more aware of who they are and how they interact and the impact that they're having.
Well, thank you very much. For more information on Strategic People Solutions at Career Compass Coach, please contact us at any time.